Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making an invitation. I'm on Canva searching for wedding invitations. I'm looking for one that's modern with minimal text so that the photo can peek through from the back. So I'm looking and I found this invitation which is perfect, bold letters, no graphics. So that's good, right? We're going to save this invitation as a PDF print. So we're downloading it, ensuring that we select the crop marks and bleed and we put it in CMYK. And once I open in Adobe, I'm going to print at the actual size and ensure that for the ink, I'm not using too much ink. So I put it on plain paper with normal quality and I print. So this vellum that I'm using is regular vellum. I also print out the picture that will be at the back and I cut both down to size. 5 by 7 is the size that I used. Using my hole punch to punch a hole as well, and I'm going to put an eyelet in the hole just to secure it, ensure the hole doesn't tear. You can also put ribbon through the hole as well, and that will look very chic. And that's it, that's the end. So let's talk a little bit about the vellum that you use. So the vellum that you use has to be vellum that is compatible with your printer. So when you buy it on Amazon, ensure that it's an inkjet if you have an inkjet, or laser if you have a laser. I'm using regular vellum, and what I did with my inkjet printer, I printed on the side that looked kind of parchment like, not glossy. And once I let it dry, it didn't smudge. Thanks for watching.